ye toa Kasee bonus na ye hwede ekoso ewo Anigyee ana Anigyee Kasee mu. Eye 90 jam dwumadie bi a Union Joy for eye na wo bo enwum tetete nwum ya wotia ho se enwum ye enwum papa na enwumre ehye so den Adom Kasee bo abonsem hotofo ade bro.
Ahoboa nyina aso se 90s jam a ye de brega na manfo na nadwi ye de be hyehye so 90s jam dwumadi a afibia yedie se ne be ya Ghana manfo ebenya baabi akwakwaji wonwani ansa na afemu ni nyina ahyase Adom head of talk entertainment and religious programs ewo Joy FM na wachire mu se anadwi de enipa beba honom no wonhwe ni mu kwan se Anigyee nko a na wobenya edi.
Okay, for you know, the 90s jam is always like the official party that begins the new year for us. And so this year we're looking to giving people a whole new experience. So we're just asking people to come. I mean, if you look at the background a little bit, you know that we have something new. We're adding a very new touch to it and just trying to get our listeners very excited. So we're asking people to come this evening, just come and jam the year away. I mean, yeah, come and jam to begin the new year. And we're hoping that it will be fun as always. You know, the only thing that's, you know, constant in this world is change, right? So a little bit of twist here and there. So we have people we give people a certain area, an experience when you dance and you're tired. There are some people who come and they just want to hang around, sit down, listen to the music, sip on some drinks. So we have all that happening. And then we move the dance floor to the other side. You still have your kebabs, your beers, your spirits, everything. Nothing is missing. We just switched the venues, I mean, yeah, the dance floor and then the experience center. But then it's an all new different thing, and we're hoping that you would love it and enjoy yourself.
Anigyee Kasee bonus ye twen ho ba say ba ye betwa so ni ahwede ekoso wa manoni.